Hi, thanks for joining me again. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. In this episode I'm going to be dealing with the black trim that runs down the sides of the van, trying to stop the water getting in through any holes or through the holes where the studs are. I don't have a problem with it at the moment, but I might in the future, so I just want to address it just to stop any future problems. Now, I've seen on previous videos where the trims are taken off and then the holes are filled with silicone and then replaced. But my argument with it is how do you get the trims off once it's siliconed in? You could do a lot of damage by trying to get them off. And if you need to get the studs out afterwards, you'd have a right job. So after watching Mel's channel on Mel's Van World, I discovered that he was doing exactly what I'd been considering, which was running a thin bead of silicone along the top of the trim, just to stop any water ingress, which is the main point of the exercise. It'd be far simpler. If you need to get the trim off, you can just replace the silicone quite easily. So this is how I did mine. Okay, so first job was to clean the van. So I'm using some rubbing alcohol, just rubbing it along the edge there, just to make sure I get rid of any contaminants. It'll just help the silicone to stick. Let's just give it a good clean. See the cable there, my battery's dead, so I'm just recharging the battery. This is the sealant I'm using, the Gorilla stuff. To clear out of the tube and it'll dry clear as well. So I'm just going to run a bead along. The gap's not that big, so you don't need a huge amount. The tune you can hear in the background is my daughter singing her latest song. It's actually on iTunes, actually. First one she's had on there, so that's a proud moment for her and me. I'm just spraying the silicone with some, it's just water with a couple of drops of washing up liquid in. Just helps to smooth it out. And I've just got a small butter knife here, and I'm just going to rub over the top. And just draw it down, take off any excess, and it just gives a nice finish to the silicone. The water stops the silicone sticking to the knife, and also it helps it spread a lot easier as you're drawing the knife down. Any curved implement will do, small lolly, stick or something like that. And we're basically done. Just going to give it another spray and another quick run over with the knife, and that is about it. And then I've just got the rest of them to do. Very simple job. I think it took me about 15 minutes to do the whole van. Far easier than taking all the trim off. And like I said previously, it'll be far easier if I need to take the trim off the van for anything. Be a lot easier to remove. So thanks for watching again, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Cheers, bye for now.